Welcome back and continuing the news. The number of outstanding financial statements for municipal corporations has jumped to 95. The Auditor General reported the increase at this morning's sitting of the Public Accounts PAC Committee. Now, what's the plan to clear the backlog? Andrea Chisholm explains.
New year, same old problem. Most municipal corporations are way behind in completing their financial statements, which are required by law. Without the statements, the Auditor General is unable to sign off on how money is being handled. 95 financial statements are outstanding, and come July 2026, statements for the 2025-2026 fiscal year, which ends on March 31, will become due.
Two primary factors are the lack of the financial management system that is needed to prepare and present the financial statements in a IPSAS, which is the standard required, IPSAS compliant format, and the MCs continue to have challenges in preserving and presenting the supporting records for the financial statement.
Officials explained the challenges facing most municipal corporations.
The documents are stored manually. Documents are stored like in a container, in a room, so you will have insects that will damage it.
What we have found out is that the strong room is not a strong room. It is the roof is actually collapsing, so at this point we are making arrangements to move all of those records, because since Melissa, some of them have since gotten wet, and we have since sent off a correspondence to say these records have been defaced.
To fix the problem, most municipal corporations have organized the documents in their possession and are outsourcing the job to accounting firms. They have also developed a timeline to complete each financial statement. The permanent secretary in the local government ministry said they're in the process of receiving additional computers to implement the new accounting software.
My IT person is advising me that approximately 6 months.
So if you said first month, so let's conservatively say you by May, right? We're talking about at 6 months, that's what, about November, December, before all should have that system up and running in each municipal corporation.
Provided they also have the systems, as in the computers.
And the procurement process includes support from the vendor throughout this entire implementation phase?
Yes, sir.
With improved salaries in the public sector, the ministry is hoping to attract competent professionals through the recruiting exercise now underway. Staff will also receive training for the new accounting system. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.